So the object appeared from the fabric on another dimension, I guess, and materialized and then disappeared again. Look at that. Think about how big that thing is, that the sun is that white circle. It's the size of that white circle. This satellite is 1,000,000 miles away from Earth. So it's 92 million miles away from the sun. Now think about that, how big this object is. Let's see what does it look like. Look at that, some crazy shit. Well, I know what the shape is. Look, all the fingernails everywhere. Square, look, those are not spherical anything, they're all squarish. Look at that. So where are we? I don't know, we are in some kind of construct that look paranormal. All of this deal now, it look different to me now that I know what I know. All these things look paranormal to me. It look like we are in some kind of strange setting, a projection or some kind of holograms. We are inside a structure. And this thing happened like, and people have no clue. The astronomers don't know about this. They don't think about it. NASA keeps saying those are image artifacts. But when there is a comet, oh, that's a comet. And these objects are what? These things are what? Look at the cylindrical object. Look how big that thing is. Like I said, the sun is that white circle. Now think how big that thing is. That cylindrical. Dr. Bergen calling electromagnetic vehicles, EMVs. Think about that. Look, all this. Those are not stars in the background, no. None of that is what they say. Look, another object that appeared from nowhere and went to nowhere. Look at that. Maybe the thing is tiny. Maybe all of that is tiny and it's got a perception deal. We're being controlled by perception. Maybe everything is tiny out there and we just have a reasoning established by these people with telescope and astronaut, blah, blah, blah. When you see the moon from the space station, you cannot believe that is the moon. It's a tiny little thing. It looks like a tiny plasma ball, but tiny, really small. Well, how the heck can that be? And we see this enormous moon from the ground. Look at that crazy looking deal that appeared there. Another one. And this is constant. This is not just one or two. It's constantly. This is, look at this one. Look at the size of that thing. I mean, like I say, these things are happening all the time. Every second. Look at that one. Whoa. You think the ones in the rings of Saturn are big? 30,000 miles is big. Well, that thing is millions of miles large. The sun is 1,000,000 times bigger than Earth. So how big these objects are? Look at that. Whoa. It's so energetic that it messed up the camera. Look how it distorted the gravitational field. Look at that. Wow. Well, that's another thing that they stitch the videos. A lot of things that is not convenient for NASA to explain, but because nobody say nothing about any of this, They just don't care. So one thing I seen over years observing is that there is a dead zone around the sun. There's nothing there. No, nothing. Well, what would that be? And look, it's all geometrically. It's all specifically shaped. There's only few, very few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 20 or 30 something there. I don't know what they are, but I call them something because there's no name for that. And look what, check it out, look what they look like. Observe what they look like. They're square or squarish. And look at that. And they disappear in one frame. Really? Look. One frame, look. Gone. So the other remains. So what, there's no stars. I'm telling you, you don't see one single star in any space video from any planet, moon, asteroid, comet. You don't see nothing in the background, but the Space Telescope sees a lot of shit, and the telescope from the ground. So there's some kind of duality here that nobody's gonna try to explain or show. Then you see some kind of vapor looking or cloudish looking thing in space. How can that be? What kind of vapor is that? Look at that. Wow. That's CME, coronal mass ejection. But look, all these millions of whatever appear and disappear and large. Look at this. I said, well, that was a comet that hit the sun. A tiny comet can cause that incredible burst of energy? Really? A 1 mile comet? Really? When the thing is 1,000,000 times bigger than Earth? And a tiny comet can cause that? Nah, that's not a comet, period. Nah. Look what this object look like. This thing that appeared up here. Look at that. Some crazy looking deal. Look at that. Pam, 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 like a Z. The letter Z. Then look at this thing right here. Twisted like a pretzel. And that's the one that type is the one that Dr. Berggren showed in the Rings of Saturn. That twisted pretzel looking deal. I mean, look at that, man. I mean, this is so insane, man, and nobody wants to fool with it. Look at that, wow. So see, you see the image is teaching. And look how that smoky deal is coming out of the sun, but it have a specific pattern to it. Look at that. Oh, wow, look at that. Boom, boom. I mean, you can see this, the same thing, you can see it from the ground. If you block the sun, corona, with a dark plate, you can see all this thing flying out into the sun and around the sun, fast and slow. I posted many videos of that. Nobody wants to believe, or want to talk, or want to think. Look at that. More crazy crap. Look at that, boy. That one is bigger than the song in length. Well, how can that be? Well, it is. What it is, I don't know. This is a view of the song in September, but if you go to the Soho Image Theater, you're not gonna find anything. They won't let you in. They canceled that because we keep finding strange stuff. Look at that. Tubes everywhere, cylinders. Well, look at that one. Wow. That thing is about 10 times larger than the song. Look at that, man. And then that's the song, that white circle. Now look at the fuzziness on top of the song. Say we are in some kind of structure that is pumping out an illusion or reality that we cannot wrap our heads around it. Whoa, what happened? Oh, look at that. That thing came out, that cylindrical thing came out of or passed by the song, I don't know, it came out of it, out of that reality. And then that enormous explosion followed. Boom, wow, man, look at that. See, the top part is all in a vertical. This is all geometry, man. It's all based in geometry. And look at that. The shape of that smoky deal. Look at that. A freaking finger with a fingernail. Look at that. Why would that be? Why would that shape would be? Well, because God's hands of creation is all based on that. Oh, here we go again with the hand deal and whatever. You do the writing on it, the outlines, and it's exactly what I'm saying it is. Look how this thing goes. See, 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, 5 finger. Look. Because it's already embedded in the fabric of this reality. It's based on that shape. You can come out, oh my goodness, look at that. Whoa, I need to make this, there you go. Whoa. Look at that huge cylindrical deal. But see, it appear and disappear into nothingness. Oh, look, there's an object that came out of the song right there. Look. Boom. It looked like it came out of the song, but maybe it didn't. Oh, look at this one right here.